Hi, I'm Dan Renicky with Unknown Media. Today I'd like to talk to you about recreating an old-fashioned photography effect. Now, depending on how old-fashioned you want to go, I'd suggest maybe going out and getting your hands on a cheap film camera and some film and go out and do it practically. But if not, there are some other things that can sell the old-time look. Color, saturation, grain, and contrast. Now, depending on what time period you're going for, all of these effects will vary. Some simple things that you can do in any photo editing software, you can maybe add some blues to the shadows, increase the saturation of the reds, boost the grain. You can increase the contrast or even decrease the contrast to give it kind of a washed out look. All of these are very simple effects that you can do in most any photo editing software. These are just a few tips on how to recreate an old-time photography effect. I'm Dan Renicky. Take your best shot.